Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very commonly made super healthy Maharashtrian Amti recipe. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make the Amti. To make the Amti, we need about 2 cups of cooked toor dal, and for this I had pressure cooked 1 cup of toor dal with 2 cups of water. Just break it with a hand beater like this and your dal is ready. Keep it on the side. In a separate pot, add about 3 to 4 teaspoons of cooking oil. The oil is hot, add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and as they start to crackle, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Few methi seeds, about 1/4 teaspoon, and about 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and have crushed them in my mortar and pestle. Few curry leaves, about 1 string, and just saute this tempering for few seconds. Flame is on the medium high and soon enough the garlic will start to turn a little goldenish like that. As it does so, add some spices. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, about 1 teaspoon of kanda lasun masala, and this is store bought. You can also use any of your household masalas too in place of kanda lasun masala. The spices have fried well. Now add about 2 small tomatoes and have chopped them into small pieces. Some salt to taste. Give everything a really good mix. Turn the flame to medium, cover it, and we are going to now cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the tomatoes turn soft. Open and check. After 5 minutes, notice that the tomatoes have become soft. Just crush them with your spatula like that, and now we are going to add the cooked toor dal. Now add about 1 cup of water, and I have just washed my pressure cooker and added that water in. Mix it well. The flame is on the medium. Let it simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes on a medium flame. Give it a quick mix, making sure that the dal doesn't stick to the bottom. Now add about 2 teaspoons of jaggery. Mix it well. In place of jaggery, you can also add some sugar. Simmer it for another minute or so and the amti is ready. Switch off the flame. Garnish with some coriander leaves and some fresh coconut. Toor Dal Amti or Turichi Amti is a very commonly made lentil recipe in any Maharashtrian household. It goes extremely well with hot rice or even as a side item with a roti and a bhaji. To enhance its taste, just add a dollop of clarified butter or ghee over it and simply enjoy. Super healthy and very delicious. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.